Hello everyone, in this video we're going to present the iDSecure cloud software, a 100% web-based access control system with a modern interface and cloud storage. The platform, developed by Control ID, focuses on a complete solution for access control of people and vehicles in companies of all sizes, and stands out for its simple equipment configuration with agile and secure management. To access the system, users can use any device with a web browser or the dedicated app for iOS and Android devices. This allows for visitor registration, remote opening and viewing of access logs, facilitating remote administration and providing greater flexibility and mobility in managing access in real time. One of the key features of iDSecure Cloud is the ability to configure highly customized access rules. This includes defining rules based on companies, groups, times, and types of users. In addition, the platform generates detailed reports to help with decision-making and security monitoring, which also allows you to monitor access to your solution in real time. The software's interface is very intuitive. Right from the start you can see a panel with statistics on users, visitors, denied accesses and authorized accesses. Below we can see two fields showing graphs, one with accesses in the last 24 hours and the other with accesses in the last week. To the right we have a panel with the history of the last accesses made, informing the time, name and photo of the person or vehicle that was granted access. To the left of the page we have a column with the system's main functions, such as monitoring, enrollments, and reports. In the Monitoring tab, you can manage your system in real time, where you can see all the accesses that are being made with instant updates, including the date and time, name, area, and device through which the person was authorized. This tab also has the Function Activation Center, which allows you to change the status of the system, with the following options: Normal, Emergency, which releases all entrances and exits, and Lockdown, which blocks entrances and exits. To register a user, you need to go to the Enrollment tab and go to the Users category. Here, by clicking on New User, the registration screen will appear, and then you need to fill in the information such as name, email, and telephone, after which you can take a photo or upload a photo to the system. Below, you can choose whether the person will be a regular user or will have access to the system, being able to create a password for the access and assigning administrator functions, such as controlling the block list and device administration. There is also the possibility of adding additional information, documents, groups or companies, and linking faces, fingerprints, passwords, cards or QR codes to the user. After completing the entire process, just click Save to finalize the registration. To register a device, you need to go to the Access tab and select Devices. Here select New Device, then choose the desired device and enter the name, serial and verification code provided by the device. At the bottom, choose the categories according to your preference, and when you select Save, the registration is complete. To create an access report, select Reports and then Access Logs. Here you can choose the category of the report. In this example we'll go with access logs. Now just filter according to your preference, selecting time interval, people, areas, devices and authorizations. There is also the possibility to choose the columns arranged in the report, being able to include or exclude according to your requirement. Finally, it is possible to export the information in a document with CSV format. In the Floor Plan tab, by clicking on Add Floor Plan, you can upload an image of the floor plan of the location where the solution is installed. Once the image is uploaded, a list of all the registered devices will appear. Then simply assign the device to the location where it is installed. In this way, you can create a visual map of the solution and open doors remotely. In the Access Control and Access Rules tab, you can create an access rule for the system, defining which groups of people the rule will apply to, when the rule will be functional and where in the solution it will occur. After this, a confirmation screen appears and then simply save to register the rule. In the Apps interface you can see shortcut icons with the main functions of the system, such as reports, registered people, visitors, and devices. Below that, you can see a graph showing the number of accesses over the last week and also a list of the most recent accesses. At the bottom we have the app's other functions. To register a user in the app, simply select the enrollment icon at the bottom and choose the people category. Click on the plus button to create a new user. Now just add a photo and fill in the rest of the information. Finally, click on Save and the process will be complete. That was the overview of the iDSecure cloud software. If you have any questions, please contact one of our consultants, and if you would like to know more about Control ID, visit our website. Thank you and see you next time.